Seriously.
Hey guys, it's Grayson, and we are at a nature trail in Florida. Carly's not with me because
You're in Florida.
I'm in Florida. Hey guys, so it's Carly here. I've been home sick with the stomach bug for about 4 days now. It has not been fun, but yeah, I've been pretty bored. Grayson looks like she's having fun in Florida. So, yeah. I feel like I need to start that over. So this is my mom. Hi! she really wanted to be in the vlog. Grandma
Really wants to be in the vlog.
Grandma wants to be in the vlog.
What?
Say hi.
Hi.
Tell the people.
Tell the people what?
About the Fenny Springs.
So the Fenny Springs are right there.
Grandma can tell them.
Oh.
No, I don't want to tell them.
Yeah, you tell them, Grandma.
Okay. The Fenny Springs
Okay.
are very special in the villages, and there's a special snail called the Fenny Snail. It lives in the Fenny Spring.
That was really interesting. Thank you for that information. So,
There's a turtle.
this is my dad.
You see the turtle right
So
there?
you're just gonna be meeting.
The whole fam.
What blog
I
is
don't
this?
see. It's a vlog, video blog.
Hey, yo, what up?
What up? So as you can see, my family is very interesting. But oh, hi!
We're vloggers.
So I don't know who that was. You should have asked her what her name was. I should have. I was
You should have told her to follow your vlog.
I don't even know the name of my vlog yet. So Reagan told me that I have to constantly be videoing.
You don't have to put it all in the...
So, Gavin, I have a question. Time to get serious.
I have an answer. Are we doing a weekly Q&A?
Sure. Okay, question 1.
Oh no.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Question 2.
No.
Do you want a girlfriend?
No.
Question 3.
Do you have time for a girlfriend?
I'm asking the questions.
Sorry.
Gavin, we're in the middle of your interview. Come back here. Okay, Dad.
Dad.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Yes.
Okay. How old is she?
Why do you laugh at that? In fact, she's right there.
Oh, we're meeting his girlfriend.
I'd like to introduce you to my girlfriend. Her name is Liz.
Okay. How long have you guys been dating?
27 years.
It seemed a little iffy, but
Hey guys, it's Reagan.
Another one, dude.
yeah. I'll see you guys later.
Good night, Kale.
Bye.